Welcome to Caden's channel.
Joe, happy birthday.
Thank you.
What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be giving you guys a few different tips and tricks with rooftop tents. The rooftop tent I have is a Smittybilt tent. I have the tent mounted more on the driver's side. This allows me to keep this side of the truck bed a bit drier when it rains and allows me easy access to the totes on the passenger side. Keeping the Velcro straps on the opposite side of how the tent will open up. This may seem basic, but for the longest time, I just put the leather cover back on the rooftop tent without ever thinking about it. This makes it way easier to open, so keep the Velcro straps on the opposite side of where you plan on opening the tent. I only unvelcro 3 sides of the tent and allow the Velcro to stay attached under the folded out section of the rooftop tent. This will make it easier to put the cover back on over the rooftop tent when you are folding it back up. Use the leverage of the ladder to open the tent up. One thing I love about this particular tent are the rain flies that protect the entryways and truck bed from the rain. You can also remove the rain shield from the top of the tent whenever it's hot out. You can store your bedding in the rooftop tent so you don't have to pack anything extra. We usually keep 2 blankets, 2 pillows, and a bed sheet in the tent at all times. So usually you leave a flap open. The reason why I like this, it's kind of like a little garage. So I keep my one wheel there. Kind of keeps it out of sight. Found some extra use for my Max Tracks. You can A, brush your feet off from the sand, or B, prop up your ladder to your rooftop tent. Look at that. Perfect.
Hey guys, so Caden requested that I give you a tour of our rooftop tent on the inside, so here we go. Here's Rio looking outside. Rio, hi. Hi, look. Hi, good girl. So Rio usually sleeps in here with us. Especially if it's hot outside. We don't want her sleeping in the cab because it gets too hot and we can't regulate the temperature when we're sleeping. So we just put her in here with us. Yeah, so nothing too complicated in here. We have, this tent comes with, it's really dark so you can't really see it, but this is like an 1-inch thick mattress pad here, and then I just have like a our 0-degree sleeping bag I decided to put as a liner tonight, just as like extra insulation. We have our pillows and then just a couple blankets that we'll sleep with. Yeah, but definitely enough room for us. Very comfortable. Temperature is regulated fairly well, I would say. In here, it doesn't get too hot or too cold. It's dark so you can't really see it, but we have some windows that open up. We have these air vents on the top. We have this cute little light here. I don't know, I like it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. When we drive down to Nevada, we're planning on having our cats in here too, so I don't know how that's really gonna work, so stay tuned for that adventure. But yeah, not a bad setup at all. And then this view is, it's dark, but we're on the beach and it's a pretty good view.
So testing out the new addition, the Hasika little portable shader, rain shader. Comes in a little bag that's about 1.5 feet long, super portable, and I just hooked it up right on top of the rooftop tent. First time trying it in the rain. What do you guys think? All right. GSI pour over coffee. We got some hazelnut creamer, some stevia. All we need is these number 4 filters for the pour over. Got the jet boil. Yeah. Coffee has been perfected. My love-hate relationship with dip netting. How many you got so far? Five. Lost 2 of them. But that's my own damn fault. How many, Merge, how many did you get?
9.
Nice.
I lost like 3.
Yeah.
But that's alright. You win some, you lose some.
Yeah, hey, it's pretty damn good though. McDonald's on an open fire.
Yep.
Yep.
Why not, right?
Wow. Alright guys, so a couple tips here is, sorry for the background noise. So definitely utilize some of the hooks you got here. I'm actually using a Gold Zero lantern that can close up. So we always got some type of light inside the tent. We just fold this up and folds directly into the tent itself. One big tip that I have is always check all your pockets before folding up the tent. You don't want to fold up the tent with a bunch of crap in here because then you're gonna have to try and fish it out. The next thing is you always want to close all of these side windows completely. Whenever you're folding it up, it just makes it a lot easier to fold. And then the last thing is I actually bought one of these dehumidifier packs that I always keep inside the tent, so you fold it up with it inside, and it helps with any moisture that may be trapped in the tent after you're using it. So I usually just keep it right underneath the bed like that, and then it folds up into it, and then it stays in there as we store it. So, and then whenever you're folding it up, just make sure your bedding is all flat like this. Everything folds into the tent evenly. Alright, so the reason why you want to keep one of these flaps on here, it just makes it a lot easier to put the whole thing, the whole cover back on. Sorry, there's a lot of stuff going on around here, guys. So the reason why I keep these on this side is so that you can easily, take off the leather piece, or take off the cover pretty easily Then you can put them back on pretty easily because there's a lot more give whenever you open these up. And yeah, there you have it. Alright, we're getting bougie on this camping trip, guys. This is essentially Filipino porridge. Got rice, chicken, green onions, got some kimchi on top. How is it, guys? Whoops. Our chef of the night, Auntie, say hi.
Hello.
Making us good food and keeping us fed.